Hello friends, I am Bharat Kumar from Tactoys India. Today I am going to show you a new knife. Its model number is B629. It is a button operative spring knife. It can be mounted on your pocket or belt. It is constructed of full metal. Here you can see, one second, and something evil like face and some designs. It is engraved, which looks like nice as well as gives you good grip while holding it. It has double safety lock. Now you can press this button and close this knife. Once you slide this button, you can see it can be slide left and right. If it is on right side, you won't be able to press this button and the knife will not come out. Once you switch it left, the button can be pressed and the knife comes out. It is coated with black oxide so it doesn't get rusty soon. While it is open, if the button is shifted right, it won't close by this button. You have to push it right to close the knife. Just for extra safety, this button won't get pressed in your pocket or something like that if this button is locked. You can purchase this at our website Tactoys India. Cash on delivery is also available. We provide delivery all over India. One second, the focus is not getting right. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thank you.